Good morning. Back with the Humvee. Haven't been on camera for a couple days. Here's what we've done since then. We put the air hooks in. We raised them up 3 inches to meet the body lift. I showed a video when I first got these. There's some massive U-bolts that I had made. Cut the factory ones off, welded these in both sides just like the factory ones. Just put some angle iron underneath there and trim the ends down smooth so they're not sharp. We also raised the hood latch because I noticed that the swing was wrong and it wasn't operating properly. So now that we lifted it up, it functions the way it should. And there you go. The airlift hooks are done. Those should still function. I mean, you should be able to airlift it with those no problem. Thanks, guys.